Hi friends, what's up? What's going on? So in today's video, we're going to make a delicious, rich and creamy one ingredient chocolate mousse. I did not believe myself till the time I made it. This mousse does not require any milk, any cream, any starch, eggs, etc. It just needs one ingredient. So I'll just show you the texture on how it is after it's made. And look at that. It is probably, guys, the creamiest mousse I've ever made in my life. It tastes just divine. So let's get on to the video and see the method by which it's made, because that is the most important thing. So let's get started.
Okay, so we start by taking 1 cup of dark chocolate. I have taken chocolate chips because I had them available. You can use any chocolate from any good brand. The darker the better. And we need boiling water. The water should be boiling, only then it will work. So first we add the boiling water on the chocolate and we melt the chocolate. So take a whisk or a hand blender and whisk it nicely so that a thin chocolate sauce kind of consistency is formed and the chocolate is melted. As you can see, we've got a thin chocolate sauce kind of texture. So next what we're going to do is take a large bowl with lot of ice, and now we're going to give this chocolate sauce an ice bath. So place the bowl on top of the ice cubes and keep stirring continuously. We need to develop these air bubbles, as you can see, so that the chocolate solidifies and it just rises and it becomes a bit thick. This process can take around 12 to 15 minutes, so it is a really tough task. If you have a hand blender, you can use that. It will take less time. So now the color of the chocolate after 12 minutes has completely changed. It has become really thick and mousse kind of. As you can see, my mousse is almost ready. And now we're gonna whisk it again for around 2 to 3 minutes to get that perfect mousse consistency. Make sure that the ice is properly there, because this is the most important step. I don't like my mousse really thick, so I'm keeping it a bit thinner. You can whisk for around 5 to 7 minutes more to get a thick mousse. So now the creamy and rich texture of the mousse is obtained. Now we're going to pour the mousse on glasses. So I've taken shot glasses for this. And now we're going to carefully just pour the mousse on the shot glass. And now we have to freeze them for around 8 to 10 hours or overnight. So after 8 to 10 hours, the mousse is nicely set, as you can see. And now we're gonna decorate them with some chocolate grated. So I have grated 1 dairy milk and now I'm just placing them on top. So decorate the mousse shots and now place any fruit or any dry fruit. Here I've placed some dried cranberries. And your chocolate mousse is ready. Right now this mousse has not set properly, so once it is set you will get that perfect texture of the mousse.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video with me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.